day, let me lose myself again. Give me something for the pain. Always trying to pretend that I'm not living just a lie. Broken heart and shattered lives. Let me go for one day. Let me lose myself. Oh, I knew how this would end. Oh, I knew that it would die, that we would come to this, that we would say goodbye. Someone help me see it. Someone help me free this feeling. Someone help me see it. Someone help me free this feeling. Don't wanna think about the past. I'm crying out behind a mask. So give me something for the pain. I wanna lose myself again. Please get out of my mind. Just get out of my sight. Let me go for one day. Let me lose myself. Oh, I knew how this would end. Oh, I knew that it would die, that we would come to this, that we would say goodbye. Someone help me see it. Someone help me free this feeling. Someone help me free this feeling. Oh, someone help me see.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. The lighting in here is not make sure. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to a new vlog. If you're seeing my face for the first time, a warm welcome to you. I hope you stay, I hope you subscribe, I hope you become part of the family. I truly appreciate you for being here. To my regular subscribers, thank you so much for being here once again. I truly appreciate you. It's the start of a new vlog. I just came out of Woolies. There's a long queue. Yeah, just got something to cook quickly. Let's chat when I get home.
Someone now.
There can't be no light if darkness don't exist. He never left my side. He showed me the way out of all the storms raging at the sea. He gave me back my life. I owe him everything. Rejoice, rejoice, rejoice in the name of the Lord. Forever and always I rejoice, rejoice, rejoice in the name of the Lord. Always. He carried me to shore, held me through the pain. He loved me at my worst. I thank him every day. I will put him first, 'cause he did that for me. He sacrificed himself so I could find my peace. Rejoice, rejoice, rejoice in the name of the Lord. Forever and always I rejoice, rejoice, rejoice in the name of the Lord. Always put joy to his name every single day, 'cause he never left our sight. He showed us the way. Rejoice, rejoice in the name of the Lord forever and always. Rejoice, rejoice, rejoice in the name of the Lord. There can't be no light if darkness don't exist. He never left my side. He showed me the way.
Hi guys, it's later on in the day and I thought let me come by and show face. How do I look? Society will say, "Uile, limona mo bijwang." How do I look? I like this look. I know a lot of people in my family don't like me looking like this. I don't know why, but I love it. I am so cute. Ngathi ngumntwana omncane, reminds me of my primary school days. Kile kamelomi e dry and all. Yeah, but anyway, yeah, we had lunch. Lunch was so good. It was so delicious, and khokhulisa khumanati. But ukukhulisa kumnandi sihluwa shizitsha ngamjelanga, huh? I must actually reward him for doing that. Yeah. So I'm just hanging around the house. I'm just thinking, is it worth it for me to post a video? God, this week, this Christmas week, people are going to be extremely busy, and I've been saying that the views are quite low this December. So I don't know if this week is going to be productive, but I'll see. Hope maybe this one I'll post on Tuesday, and then I'll think about if I need to post on Thursday. If not, I will post that other week. I know it's risky, very risky, because I have not earned to take breaks on YouTube. So yeah, but I'll see. But I think that vlog, if I post a vlog on Thursday, it's just going to be a waste of time because nobody's going to watch it. Do you know what I mean? So, but I'll see. Yeah, guys, let's just hang out. I think I'm gonna close off the vlog tomorrow, then I'll post it on Tuesday. Hope you guys are still good. Hope you guys are fabulous. Hope you guys are great. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Please do not skip them ads. Yeah, let's catch up tomorrow.